welcome back again to Simple Digital Classes by Mrs. Komal Patil. And this is your next video. This is your second video of your moral science for chapter number 2, that is faithfulness. The chapter number 2 is faithfulness, and in this chapter we are going to study about the importance of being faithful. How much important it is to be faithful, because everybody likes the faithful persons and nobody likes the unfaithful persons. Because if you are being faithful to anyone, they will be knowing you, they will be loving you, they will be believing you that you are faithful, so they can believe you. And if you are disturbing somebody's faith, if somebody is having faith in you and you are disturbing that, then they will not at all believe in you anyhow. So before the explanation of this chapter, let us read it first, and after the reading I will explain you how faithfulness is important by the example of a story, the story of a mongoose and its master. Let's start the reading first.
Chapter 2, Faithfulness. Once there lived a poor farmer with his wife and a little son. He had a pet mongoose. The mongoose was very faithful to the farmer. The farmer and his wife also took good care of their loyal pet. Once the farmer and his wife went out to a nearby town. They left their little son in the care of the mongoose. The son was sleeping soundly in his bed. The mongoose was sitting beside the bed. Suddenly, a snake came out of its hole. It went near the sleeping child. The mongoose attacked the snake. After a fierce duel, the mongoose killed the snake and cut it into 2 pieces. The mongoose's mouth was stained with blood due to the fight. Thus, the faithful mongoose saved the life of the farmer's son. The mongoose came out and sat at the door of the hut waiting for its master. After some time, the farmer and his wife came back from the town. When they neared their hut, they saw the mongoose sitting at the door. Its mouth was stained with blood. They at once thought that the mongoose had harmed their son. The farmer lost his temper. He picked up a stick and kept hitting the mongoose till it died. Then they rushed into the hut. Their son was sleeping. The child was quite safe. They saw a snake in 2 pieces lying on the other side of the bed. Seeing this, they understood the whole matter. Now they realized their hasty and foolish action. They began to cry in grief. But what could be done now? They had lost their faithful pet.
So after the reading of this chapter, let me explain you the importance of faithfulness with an example of the story of the mongoose and its master. Once upon a time, there was a farmer, a poor farmer, who is having a family, or in his family he was having his wife, his little son, and a pet, that was mongoose. He was having a pet as mongoose. So one day he has work to go to a nearby town. So he simply ordered his pet mongoose to take care of his son, and he and his wife went to a nearby town to visit somebody. Before going, as he ordered to take care of his son, so mongoose was doing so. The son was sleeping soundly in his bed, that cot-type bed which the babies are having. So baby was sleeping soundly means properly. He was sleeping very properly. So while sleeping, he was not doing anything. Baby usually don't know anything. So mongoose was taking care of the baby. He was sitting nearby the bed, taking care of that son, so that he may not get any kind of harm. That time, suddenly the mongoose saw a snake is coming nearby, coming near to the child. So as soon as the mongoose noticed the snake, he simply attacked on the snake so that the snake may not harm the child. The mongoose attacked the snake. He fought with that snake, and there was a big fight between them, between the snake and between the mongoose. Between the snake and the mongoose, there was a fearful fight. In that fight, the mongoose won, and it cut the snake into 2 pieces. When the snake was cut into 2 pieces, the mongoose was now relaxed that it will not harm at all to the child. So, after that fight, the mongoose went outside the house and sat over there near the door waiting for its master to show that how bravely he had saved the child. And after some time, when he was waiting for its master came. Master and his wife came from that town, and as soon as they reached to the house, they saw mongoose sitting nearby the gate, and they were about to ask about the child, and what they saw that the mongoose mouth was totally blooded. They can see blood placed over the mouth of the mongoose. So they got surprised, they got fierce, they got frightened. Why? They got frightened because they thought themselves that the mongoose has eaten up their child. They didn't think anything else about that mongoose. They simply thought that the mongoose had eaten their child. They had not entered the house at all, and simply the master picked up a stick to hit that mongoose, and he beat that mongoose so thoroughly, so rudely that it got died. He had beaten that mongoose, the master had beaten that mongoose until it got died. This much he had beaten that mongoose. And after that, when the mongoose got died, they entered the house. And what they saw? They saw that the child was sleeping soundly in the cot, in his bed, and there was a snake which was cut into 2 pieces, lying beside the bed of the baby. Then they came to understand that what happened. But now they can't help it because the mongoose was dead now. They had lost their faithful pet. Now they were very ashamed of their deed, what they had did with it, their faithful pet. Now they were feeling very shameful that what they have done. Now they were very much they were feeling very pity for the mongoose that what an hasty and foolish act they had done with that mongoose. So they began to cry in grief. They were simply crying because they had lost their faithful pet, but nobody could help them now. They had lost their faithful pet. So in this way, it is shown to you that how much faithfulness is important. So you should be faithful every time. That's all for